In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Zap in Zapier, a process that ensures your workflow automations are ready to be replicated without a hitch. If you're someone who relies heavily on automating tasks, knowing how to duplicate a Zap can save you both time and effort, especially when you want to create similar automations. Let's get started. First of all, you'll need to head over to the Zapier website. If you're not already familiar with it, Zapier is a powerful tool that connects different applications and automates repetitive tasks, which they call Zaps. Once you're on the site, the first thing you'll need to do is log in. Just use your usual credentials to access your account. Logging in not only allows you to see all your personalized settings and projects, but also ensures that you have access to all the Zaps you've created previously. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. You'll notice a section titled Zaps. Just click on that, and you'll be taken to a page where all of the Zaps associated with your account are conveniently displayed. This is essentially the hub where you manage and edit all your automations. Now, it might be helpful to know that these Zaps are like recipes or instructions telling applications what tasks to perform and when. If you've ever made a Zap before, you'll see them listed out here. Now, the goal is to duplicate one of these Zaps. Find the specific Zap you want to replicate. Hover over it, and you'll see a small icon that looks like an ellipsis, often referred to as the More Options button. Click on this ellipsis, and among the menu items that appear, you'll find the option to Duplicate. Simply click on that, and Zapier will create a duplicate of your chosen Zap. Duplicating a Zap is incredibly handy when you have a template or a basic set of instructions you want to reuse across different projects or with minor adjustments. By doing this, you don't have to start from scratch every single time. This feature is especially useful if you're managing numerous similar workflows but with small variations for different purposes or clients. It maintains consistency across your projects and reduces the risk of mistakes that might occur if you had to manually recreate each Zap. And that's it! You now have a duplicate Zap that you can modify or tweak to suit your new requirements. Remember, automation is all about efficiency and minimizing repetitive tasks. By mastering skills like duplicating Zaps, you're making the most out of Zapier's capabilities. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your digital workflows.